Fermentation is a critical process in the brewing process. It is a complex biochemical reaction process involving yeast, which has the greatest impact on the quality of the finished beer. Modern beer fermentation technology refers to the use of modern means to shorten the fermentation time, improve the labor efficiency of the brewery, save energy, and reduce consumption, under the premise of maximizing the quality of beer. Starting from the quality of raw materials, yeast strain selection, process technology, equipment level, and other aspects. The following are the factors that need to be considered in selecting yeast strains compiled by Tiantai, aiming to provide a professional reference for beer manufacturers. Proliferation intensity and rise speed. The proliferation intensity and rise speed of yeast are crucial to inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms. Rapid rise can effectively inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, such as lactic acid bacteria, and cocci, ensuring the safety of the beer production process. 2. Fermentation capacity. The fermentation capacity is usually measured by the amount of carbon dioxide produced per gram of yeast per hour. This indicator directly reflects the sugar consumption capacity of yeast and is the core of yeast performance. The fermentation speed of different strains varies significantly. Brewers need to adjust the fermentation speed according to the type of beer to optimize product characteristics. For example, light-colored lager beer mostly uses high fermentation yeast to improve aroma and taste, while dark beer prefers medium fermentation yeast to ensure the adequacy of post-fermentation. 3. Cohesion. The cohesion of yeast has a significant impact on fermentation efficiency and beer clarity. Ideal cohesion helps the yeast to precipitate effectively after fermentation, which is convenient for subsequent filtration. Too strong or too weak cohesion may hurt beer quality. 4. Fermentation byproducts. The presence of trace amounts of fermentation byproducts can significantly affect the flavor of beer. The formation of these byproducts is affected by wort composition and yeast strains. It is particularly noteworthy that the formation of diacetyl is closely related to the selection of yeast strains. If the esters and higher alcohols produced by anaerobic fermentation exceeds the taste threshold, the beer will have a rough taste and reduced foam stability. Brewers need to identify and adjust these potential defects in time by tasting. In summary, when breweries select yeast strains, brewers need to have accurate judgment and deep beer brewing expertise to ensure that the brewery's finished beer can present the best flavor and quality. Follow me and I will take you to learn more brewing knowledge. If you have any needs for beer equipment, remember to contact Tiantai.